Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this pretty cool thing. I've got the Compoform Argyle here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of stuff that I'm bringing to you, because check this out. This is a pretty cool slider. Compoform sent me this fully functional prototype to review and to share my impressions with you guys, and you can see that this comes with a very cool paper, kind of like with a rubbery feel, and some foamy insert to protect the slider during the travel. And inside you're gonna find this Argyle slider and clicker, which is looking absolutely gorgeous. Let's just quickly check the size of this guy. It has a width of 1.29 inches with a height of 1.88, so 1.9, and a thickness of 0.37, let's say, inches. So it's a very cool size. And compared to some other popular fidget toys, you've got, for example, here the Black Mirror, that's the Choclick. Here you've got the Mackie capsule slider, that's the Louty Shuffle. This guy is the One Woo Studio bulletproof shield. Tom EDC Mahjong slider, that's the Umbury haptic coin, the Taken. And what else? Let's see, this guy right over here, that's the ACDC gamer slider as well. So you have an idea of the size of this guy. It's a really cool fidget toy, guys, because of course it's a slider and it's also like a clicker, but it's a little bit different from other sliders. So I mean, first of all, the look of this guy is just gorgeous. I mean, check this out. This is titanium anodized with this teal blue color, which is incredible, but it's actually shimmering and changing color. You can see some purple reflection, some blue, and almost like not green, but it's in those tonalities, and really shines under this the rays of the sun. It's really cool to look at. I mean, this could be easily like a worry stone because of this pattern milled on the surface. So you can just toss it in your pocket and just rub it like if you're like in a place where you cannot be loud or make any clicking sound or sliding noise, you can just rub it and just use it as a worry stone, or like you can use it as a slider, because this guy basically that's the structure on the inside. It has one track where it slides keeping like with this pin like this axis, so the vertical axis, but at the same time it can rotate. So it has 1, 2, and 3 states where he can stay in the horizontal position, or 1, 2, and 3 states where he can stay in the vertical position. So really cool. You can also play like in this orientation or this orientation, and you're gonna have a cleaner look without seeing the magnets. And from this side, you see, you can just spin it like that around on top, and you can just have it, you know, spin all over the place by just pushing like one corner like that and just pushing in the center. You can do whatever you want. Something that I really like to do is like this, like using with 2 hands. This guy, it's like beautiful. It's like it's almost silent, but the feeling is incredible. It looks like gliding, like, I don't know. It's very hard to explain, but it has a very cool feel. In the hand, it feels really light. Let's actually check the weight on this guy, because you're not gonna even notice this guy in the pocket, because it's gonna be, look at that, 1.51 ounces. So it's gonna be pretty good to go for the summer, to toss in the pocket, in your backpack, whatever. And you're gonna be able to play with this guy everywhere. And the fidgety aspect is it's pretty good, because you can slide it up and down, you can rotate, you can slide it to the side, you can use 2 hands. It's very versatile, and also it clicks. You can click it from the corner, from the center, not from the side, but I mean from this side and from this side. And it's gonna kind of like clack. And it's gonna be doing it like with a pretty loud clack if you're indoor. If you're outdoor, of course, it's gonna be sounding less obtrusive, but for sure, this is not a quiet clicker, but the slider is actually pretty good. I've noticed that the anodization on the inside can wear out, but because it's the two surfaces just rubbing up against each other, you can use some graphite on the inside. Don't use maybe any oil because it's gonna mess everything up. You can just do some graphite from your pencil, and you're gonna be pretty much good to go. And then you can also do, of course, like this kind of noise, which is pleasant, or you can just do like that and be a little bit more subtle about it. So, I mean, it's a pretty cool looking slider. Very, very nicely made, great milling. The anodization is just stellar. The sound is very cool, like nice click when you click it, and also it's a very, very pleasant sound when you slide it, and the feel is just great. It's pleasant. You can rotate, you can slide it, you can click it. It's I think it's a home run. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.